In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Monday.com. By the end, you'll have your tasks and events talking to each other, so nothing slips through the cracks. First, open any project in your Monday.com workspace. This is the board where you already track items with dates, owners, and statuses. Make sure the board includes a date column, and if you schedule by time, a time or timeline column as well. This will help your calendar events line up accurately with your tasks. Next, find the Integrate option in the board's header. Clicking this opens the Integration Center for the board you're on. Think of it as your hub for connecting Monday.com with the other tools you use every day. From the Integrations list, select Google Calendar. You'll see a collection of ready-made recipes designed to sync information between your board and your calendar. These recipes control direction and timing, whether Monday.com creates or updates events on your calendar, or whether changes on your calendar create or update items on your board. Choose an automation that matches how you work. For example, you might pick a recipe that creates a Google Calendar event when an item is created, or when a status changes to something like scheduled. If you prefer a two-way setup, look for a recipe that also listens for calendar changes. Read each option's description carefully so the trigger and action fit your process. And think about which board columns will feed the event title, time, and description. Now click Connect. You'll be prompted to sign in to your Google account and grant permission for Monday.com to create and manage events. After authorizing, you'll select the specific calendar to use, then map your board's fields. Usually, the item name becomes the event title. Map your date and time or timeline columns to the event's start and end. If your board only has a date and you want all-day events, leave the time unmapped. You can also map a long text column to the event description so extra context carries over. Before you wrap up, it's a good idea to test your setup. Create a sample item or update a status that should trigger the recipe, then check your Google Calendar. If timing looks off, verify your board and calendar time zones match. If you see duplicates, confirm you're not running overlapping recipes. That's it. You've connected your board to Google Calendar, chosen the right automation, and authorized the link so events stay up to date. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more reliable schedule.